welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna adjust my camera. I'm here to share with you guys Walmart. Yes, I went to Walmart again. A lot of you guys are really enjoying that I'm giving you guys a heads up if I'm doing other stores in the middle of the week. Usually Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays are my days where I don't do anything. I just hang out at home and not coupon and, you know, just kind of have a life. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, as I told you, May is going to be one of the best months for Ibotta, so I highly recommend to join. If you guys haven't, I have the referral link below. You guys will end up getting $10 once you guys hit your first $10 of rebates. And I love Ibotta. Ibotta is my #1 favorite app. If you guys also have Ibotta already and you want to be on my team, I have the referral link below, or I have the friend request below, so you guys can look for me. It's not Deals by DesignerJen, it's my normal one, but you guys can friend request me and be on my team. You may or may not have to refresh your Ibotta account on your app, just letting you guys know on that. But if you guys do not live in America, I will not accept you. If you guys seem like a creep, I will not accept you. I've already had to unfriend a couple people because I'm sorry, you guys are weird. Not you guys, but the people who I've had to unfriend. I'm like, sorry. But I know you guys don't like me talking, but let's just dig in. So as you guys know, I was super close to hitting level 4. I only needed 3 more rebates to hit level 4. And it's only May 10th and I've already hit level 4, you guys. And don't worry, I will still be kicking butt all month long for Ibotta. I'm hoping a lot of you guys get to level 4. I'm hoping a lot of you guys, this is the month for majority of you guys who have never hit level 4 to hit level 4. And if you're on my team, it'll help even faster. So I ended up getting, now I'm really liking these the diaper deals, especially with this, because my son right now, he's refusing to go potty. we're like, okay, we're gonna just go cold turkey. We put him in underwear and he pees, so I'm just like, okay, I guess we're not doing that. But I couldn't pass up on getting these diapers. So these diapers were $8.97. I used that $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I used the $3 off coupon in the May P&G. You guys would end up getting these for $5.97, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $2.97. And I think that is a great price, especially on like easy ups or pull ups and stuff. So we just opened these up, so I'm pretty excited to get those for my son. I ended up getting the Natural Instincts hair dye. This was $6.92. You guys want to use those $3.50 off coupons that were on coupons.com. You guys would pay $3.42 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate, and the final price for this is just 42 cents. I've done this deal literally every single week for like almost the last month, and I have a feeling this might be the last one. Usually they only reset about 5 times unless, you know, Clairol really wants you guys to try their hair dye. So sometimes those companies are the ones that pay Ibotta to have their stuff get refunded because they want you to really purchase that. The point of Ibotta is they want you to try it and then they want you to buy more of it as the future goes. So that's why they do Ibotta. A lot of these companies sponsor Ibotta. That's how they can give all this money away, because they want you to try that stuff and get addicted to that stuff, you know. I did the perfume deal again. Now a lot of you guys were confused on what stuff was going on. My store, I don't know if they don't scan at my store. My store recently changed the rules where if it doesn't scan, they will take it. They'll enter it in. Not every store is like that, but I asked why, and one of the CSMs was like their store manager kept getting constantly calls on coupons not getting accepted. So I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. You know. I mean, why use a manufacturer coupon? And Walmart doesn't price match anymore, so it's like, why not? So those coupons, I don't know if they scan or not, but I used some of them on some of it, and some of them I did not use. So I ended up getting this Playboy perfume. Now, if you guys are not sure, there was an Adidas one that I got and I scanned it and it said does not match. So I ended up putting that one back and getting just the other one. So make sure you guys scan some of these products that you've not gotten before to see if they do match. There are ways they can add it to it, but I don't know how long that takes to get. So just giving you guys a heads up with this. So I got the Playboy Spray. Husband didn't like the other one that I got him, so I'm hoping he likes this one. This was $3.97. You guys would end up paying $3.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. Plus, you guys can also submit a $2 rebate on Checkout 51. It reset. I was going to go yesterday and do all this stuff, but I'm like, I'm waiting for Checkout 51 to reset. So this ends up becoming a 3-cent moneymaker. So you cannot go wrong with free spray. I ended up getting the Adidas body fragrance. They don't have the one that I really like, but I'm like, you know what, this will do. So this was $7.98. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon that we got, I think in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying just $3.98 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.98. And I think $1.98 for like a body spray or perfume thing, I think that's a great price for, you know, stuff like that, because it's not often that we get this. And I usually see this deal only happen like once or twice a year. So definitely, if you guys want some good smelling spray stuff, definitely do that. So I ended up getting the deodorant stick. Now this I always find by the perfumes. I do not find it by the deodorant. So that's why I consider this as a fragrant. But this is $5 at my store. $5. You guys would pay $5 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. And you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Checkout 51. The final price for this just comes out to be $1, which I think is a pretty good deal. And I've never... I don't know... Ugh, I don't like it. Oh, bad. It's like, I'm a Stetson man. Blech. So, there you guys go, if you guys like that. And I'm sorry for those who do like that. I'm sorry. Okay. I know. I don't, one of you guys said you love how I say bags. I'm like, bags. I just read that right before I did this video. So, I keep forgetting to bring my reusable bags when I go to the store. So, I ended up doing the M&M deal, and I'm hoping this resets before Sunday so I can do it again at Walgreens. So, this was $2.98. This M&M's was 25 cents. Now, I don't know if it's just for the caramel or not, but I wanted to do this deal. So you guys would buy both of these. You guys want to use the buy one of these, you get one of these for free coupon. So it'll take off $1.34 is what it comes off at Walmart. So you guys would end up paying $2.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will end up getting a 25-cent rebate on the M&M's. And you guys will also get a $25 rebate on the M&M's with Ibotta. So these both come out to be $1.73. Not sure if that's the greatest price for these, but hey, I wanted to share with you guys some great deals. I ended up getting the McCormick's. I definitely recommend doing this deal if you guys want to get an easy freebie. Now, one of you guys messaged me where this was at. If you guys have the app, I definitely recommend doing it. I need to show you guys how to use the Walmart app because there's so many ways around it that you guys can find out. But if you ever need to look for something at your store, you just choose a store and then it always tells you what aisle it's in. So I typed it up. I'm like, where's this at in the store? And I found it. It was on the top shelf. They are kind of hard to find. But these were each $1 a piece. You guys would pay $3 a piece for this. But then you guys can submit a $3 off of 3 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for all 3 of these free. I can't even smell them, but free, 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 free. I love it. I love it. And these don't expire for like 2 years, so that's even better. So, had to share with you guys on that deal. I ended up getting the Tic Tacs because why not have more Tic Tacs in your life, you know? I think let's just have the more the merrier, the Tic Tacs. So, I ended up getting the spearmint, the fresh mint, and the watermelon. These were $1.14. You guys want to use those 50-cent off coupons that we got. You guys would end up paying 64 cents for the both, or for all 3 of these, or each, or whatever. And some stores might have 2, some stores might have all 3. And search every single aisle. If you guys don't have them, search the aisle because they all have different flavors of stuff in every aisle. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate for this one, a 50-cent rebate for this one, and a 50-cent rebate for this one. So these are 3 rebates right there for you guys, making the final price for these just 14 cents. And I think that is a great deal on gum, and these are super convenient. So yes, 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 right there if you guys do that deal. You can do that deal. I got 1 bag left. I ended up getting the Rancourt allergy spray. Now this was, or nasal spray, this was $13.94. You guys want to use that $10 off coupon that we got from, I think, this past weekend. You guys would pay $3.98. I'm looking at my cat. $3.94, but then you guys can submit a $2.15 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.79. Can't go wrong with $1.79. I ended up getting the Vera Wang perfume. This is $7.97. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon that we just got this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $3.97 for this, which I still think is a pretty good deal. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, and you guys can also submit a $2 rebate on Checkout 51. Now, I did get approved of these. Right when I was filming this video, I got an email that I got approved for all the stuff on Checkout 51, even though I used coupons. So I'm just letting you guys know on that. If you bought like one thing, they're obviously going to deny you, but if you buy a ton of stuff, then you should be okay. So this ends up becoming a 3-cent moneymaker. Yeah, that is awesome, awesome, awesome. And then the last item I got is the Narco spray. My husband like hoards this. Like he saw me grab it and he like takes it, and I'm just like, oh my god, okay. So this was $7.97. You guys want to use that $4 off coupon that we just received. You guys would pay $3.97 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta and a $2 rebate on Checkout 51. So this ends up also becoming a 3-cent moneymaker. So yes. So that was my haul. I did make a video yesterday asking you guys some Q&A questions. Now, I will be making specifically individual videos for every question that you make per store. So some of you guys had general questions. Some of you had Walmart, Target, Walgreens, and CVS. So definitely ask questions, you guys, because I'm going to be working on all those answers. So I'm going to pretty much put an end to that video. By the end of this weekend, I'm gonna put an end to that video and start making those videos for you guys. But if it's something you guys really need to know, just message me and I'll answer you guys right away. But I feel it's easier to explain stuff to you guys or on the camera than me typing everything up. So ask questions, ask questions, ask questions. Just make sure you guys specify what store if you guys have specific store questions. But yes. Okay, so my total, I bought a couple other things and it came to like $100. I'm like, holy crap, $100? I'm like, that's crazy. But then after you guys, after the coupons and stuff, it came to like 62 something dollars, and I'm just like, wow. $62. That's crazy. So my total actually out of all the stuff that I showed you guys came to $42.13. I ended up getting $29.15 back with Ibotta. It is still pending. Sometimes it misses the item, so I have to like scan it in and then they have to make sure it's all correct. So $29.15 from Ibotta is awesome. I will be getting a $2 level 4 bonus because I finished level 4. Plus I'll be getting the $2 midweek bonus. So that's an extra $4 free in your guys' pocket. And then I got $8 back from Checkout 51. So if you guys add all that stuff together, I got everything for just 98 cents. Less than $1 for all that stuff. I ended up getting 15 items for $1. Isn't that awesome? It comes out to be just 6 cents a piece, which I think is great, and I love to share with you guys these deals. So stay tuned. I will be showing you guys more deals, but I'm really hoping that you guys all hit level 4 this month with Ibotta. So yes, keeping your fingers crossed. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for everybody who supports my channel lately. You guys have been showing me so much support. Like, I swear, this is going to be the best month I've ever had on my channel just because of you guys and just everything in general. So, thank you, and thank you for keeping me positive. It keeps my mind busy so other things, you know, could happen. So, we'll see how that goes. But again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.